Aloha. Today I'm going to show you the easy way to harvest bananas. So I've got a nice bunch here. Went from dark green to light green, starting to yellow up. It's time to take down. This is a dwarf apple, so it's very short, easy to harvest anyways. You could just cut the banana tree down, but it'll swing and hit the ground and break part of your bananas and bruise them. You might lose half your rack of banana. So this is the easiest way, plus it's also the safest way to bring them down slowly and controlled so you don't lose any bananas. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut a wedge on the side the way you want the banana tree to fall, and you cut it exactly where you want it. So if I want the banana tree to fall that way, I'll cut the wedge over here. If I want the banana tree to come this way, I'll cut a wedge right here in the front. And you're going to cut out just enough so that it slowly falls, but the back chunk will actually hold it and stop it from falling quickly to the ground. So, watch out, lizard. We're going to cut a chunk here, coming this way. And you don't want to cut too big of a chunk or it won't catch itself. You kind of hold it and direct it, force it over. See, it's not falling quickly because it's got that back part to hold it. So there's a coffee tree here, kind of direct it where you want. Your banana trees are safely on the ground. And then you can just break it off. You can see everything came perfect. Didn't break any bananas. Time to hang those bad boys up to ripen. Now once you harvest your bananas, you always want to put everything back around the banana trees. Now I know you're thinking this is easy because it's such a short banana tree, and it is, but I'll come over to one of my regular banana trees. This is a dwarf apple. I've got regular apples that are extremely tall, 20 plus feet tall, and I'll show you this technique over there as well. But for now, you're going to put everything back around the banana trees. There's tons and tons of nutrients in here. You could just leave it and let it go and it'll decompose slowly. But by chopping it up into 2-foot pieces, it's going to help break down quicker. Banana trees only produce one bundle of bananas, so there's no need to just take the bananas off and leave the tree. It's not going to produce bananas again. Just cut it down, chop it up and mulch it around the banana tree. Alrighty, everything's chopped up, laid back around the banana tree. We got another bundle of bananas coming in over here. Let's go take a look at harvesting from a large banana tree. All right, we're here at the regular apple bananas. So these ones get quite large, about 20, 25 feet tall. There's a nice big banana rack up there. We're gonna go ahead and harvest this one and set her down gently. want to cut a wedge exactly where you want it to fall. Once you got that wedge cut, you just make 1 or 2 nice cuts straight to the middle of the wedge to help start the fall of the banana tree. I got my wedge cut. Now just a nice couple right in the middle. Sometimes you get stuck, you gotta pull on a little. So you can see my wedge now is closed up and that back end is holding the banana rack, or the banana tree. So we can pull this down until it's ready, right where we want to harvest the banana. Just don't stand underneath the tree, obviously, in case it breaks and falls directly. Stand to the side a little bit. There we are, gently on the ground. Got some vines growing around this banana tree. Alrighty, bananas are set on the ground, so you can just cut the stalk off. And you got yourself another rack of bananas. Pretty nice size rack. We got a frog chilling in here. What up, frog? Alrighty, I'm gonna hang those up from a string so that they are hanging while they ripen and I can grab bananas underneath them. Alrighty, this is how I hang them up. I've got them sitting here on the deck so there's plenty of air around, they can breathe, and they will just sit here until they ripen. They'll start turning yellow here in not too long, and then you can just grab some bananas as you need them, or if they all ripen up, you can freeze them or whatnot. So yeah, I just tie it up to the board up top with a rope hanging onto the banana, and I'll leave them here hanging until they're ready to start eating. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up, put it around the banana trees like the other one, and there you have it. That's the easy way to harvest bananas. You cut a wedge in the front, and then cut a little bit in the middle until it starts to go, and then you just control and direct it to the ground slowly so that you don't lose any bananas or bruise any bananas or hurt yourself. That's the easiest way to harvest bananas, probably the safest too. Alrighty, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Aloha.